Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make your own UGC character or UGC items on Roblox. So what you need to do, you have first of all you have to uh, click on this avatar and click on this rig builder. Now you have to choose R15 and choose from here block avatar. Once you import a block avatar, now just click on here, right click on it and click on export selection. Now you have to save this file as obj on, you can save it on desktop. So I'm going to save it as dummy. Fine, and just click on save. So once you exported your avatar, now we are going to use a software called Blender on PC to create our own UGC item. So what you actually need to do is, so once you have created your dummy object, let me see if it is created successfully or not. I have to check whether it is created or not because the app is not responding. So once our object saved, now you just need to click on file and click on import and choose the object format and just go to desktop and choose your object and click on import wavefront object. When you click, your object or the avatar will be imported successfully. This is the avatar we are talking about. Just need to drag it down. Fine, drag it down and let's make it to the center. So G is to move any object and XYZ to move along any axis. So like I want to move along, just let me put it here and let me see where it actually lies. Yeah. So let me press G and X and G and Z. Let me click on here, or let me click on, yeah, this is a perfect view. Or let me remove this cube. So now press G and Z to G and Z to move it. This is perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect. Let me press G and X. Fine. Now this is our avatar, Roblox avatar. Once you import it, now we are going to create our own UGC item. This is the front and that's the back. So once you're done with this, now we are going to create our own UGC item or any accessory we are going to create. So first of all, guys, you have to press Shift A and go to, yeah, this is better. So go to mesh and choose circle. As you can see, circle is at the bottom. Now press G and Z to move along the axis. As you can see, now we are going to create our hat for our avatar. Press G and Z to move little bit, move upward, and now press E to extrude. Sorry. So go back. Now you just need to go to an edit mode. Go to an edit mode Now it's time to extrude. Press E to extrude. Extrude basically it expand your vertex, or it will extend the vertex with pieces. So basically it's allow you to stretch your anything you want. So let's press E and Z to fine. Let me again. E and Z, and just press S to scale it. S, so basically S does scaling, so you just need to press S to scale it like this. Now you can press G to move little down. Fine. You can see. Now press E to extrude. Basically it goes, or I can do one more thing. Press S to scale it this much, not much, because it may go inside the head. So now press G and Z to make it. Now you can see it is not in the head. Now press E to extrude, and along the X. Fine, like this. Now again E to extrude and S to scale it, and just scale it down to the center like this. And you can make it in the center if you want. Press G to move it and make it center. This is how you can create your own hat. And press G and Z to move it down. Fine, this is amazing. Perfect. Now you will notice here the width of the hat is very less, or very thin. So the hat is very thin. And so if you want to make, or if you want to increase the width of your hat, what you need to do? You just need to, let me bring it down. Just choose the selecting mode, each select, choose it, and now choose one each. Now just press, just hold the alt button and click on next edge. So it will select the loop edge. It means it select all the edges along the edge we have selected. So once you selected, now what you need to do is just go to in modifier, click on add modifier, and click on solidify. When you click on solidify, you will notice here the width of the hat is increases, as you can see. And hat usually be like this, so you can increase the width as much you can by increasing the thickness meter here. Just increase as much you want, but the earlier one was perfect for the head. Once you choose it, now go to in object mode. Now select your hat, right click on it, click on shade auto smooth. It automatically shade your hat perfectly. Let me choose this, not that much. So now it's time to color your hat. This is our hat actually. Let me show you. This is our hat actually. Fine. So now it's time to color your hat. So what do you need to do? If you want to color your hat, you have to choose, or you have to use image textures to color your hat. So this is there is a criteria to upload your UGC item. So it has to be colored with image texture, and there is certain resolution that needs to be followed. So what you need to do, you have to open any editor. So I'm going to use Paint. Paint is very straightforward. So I'm going to choose Paint software or Paint app, and now just click on this image properties, and in image property you have to set width as 256 and height as 256. Now click on object, OK, and your image size will be look like this. Now what you need to do, you have to just color this photo, or you can use this directly on your hat. So I'm going to choose two color here. So I'm going to make a cube or a square, like something like that. Let me choose the other color, this. And let me choose the other color as well. One more color, let me choose one more color, and let's choose this. So I have choose three colors here, and I'm going to use these color in my hat. So let's save this image, and let's save it on the desktop. Let me save it as hat. Let me save it. Once I save it, now go back to the Blender and click on UV editing. In UV editing, what you need to do, you have to select your image from here, choose your image, go to in desktop and choose your image, click on open image, and your image will be here. Now what you need to do, you have to choose object mode, and now click on, what is the thing we have to select? Yeah, material. In material you have to click on new. Let's choose it. Now scroll down. So once you choose here, now what you need to do, you have to choose, click on this dot in base color and choose image texture. In image texture you have to choose our image that we have imported. Just click on, just choose your image, and now what you need to do, you have to press some key here like U or Control U, I think. I just forget. Yeah, let me choose edit mode, and just press A to select your hat. To select your all hat, it means it will select all the vertex, all the edges on your hat. And now just press U and just click on this option, project from view. Now your hat will be visible here, as you can see here. Now if you want to basically, if you want to keep this here hat, just keep this hat where you want. So basically the head will be, or the where the head will be, and the color will be, and where the head will be, it means So basically what I'm trying to say that if you keep your hat, or if you keep the part of the hat in red color, your hat part will be red. So what I'm trying to do, if I'm trying to select all the hat and move it in red color, and let me fill it. If I keep this hat in red color, the color of the hat will be red. Let me show you. So I have to choose again. Let me go back to layout, and as you can see, if I go into, now you can see that the hat color of the hat is red. So suppose if I want to change some part of the or I want to change the color of this part, the surround part or the curve part. So how to do that? So you have to go to in edit mode and choose. So what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna choose face from here, and I'm gonna press Alt to select all the surround vertex, all the surround faces. As you can see, it selected all the surrounded faces, and now I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna choose U editing and press U and choose. As you can see that here I have selected the only surrounded part. So you just need to move, press G to move, and keep this part anywhere you want. And so where is the color? If the color of the part is blue, this part of the color, the color of the part will be blue as well. So just keep this anywhere you want. And if I go back to layout and if I choose this, now as you can see, it will change your part of the hat as to blue if the part of the hat is lies in the blue part, lies in the blue image. So basically you can use that image textures to change your color, hat's color. Fine. So once you're done with this, now what can you do more? So you are done with this. Now you just need to once you're done with your image or modeling, and just click on file and click on export and choose .fbx format. This is the recommended format. Just choose it and save your modeling with any name. So I'm going to choose untitled one. So once you saved it, now exit, just save this file if you want. I'm going to save it as hat. So just close this file, and now once you done with this, now you just need to, let me remove this rig. It's not necessarily. Now guys, you just need to, what you need to do, you have to go to in avatar or in view, and this is a asset manager. Click on it and you will see this upload button. Just click on to upload your model. Fine. If you don't see this asset manager, you have to install asset manager from a browser. Let me show. Now you just need to click on this upload button and upload your model or the item that you have created. Go to in desktop, and this is the one I have imported, and just choose import as single mesh. Click on apply. So sometimes it shows an error, so So okay, so you can try this out again. Click on again and import. Now just click on import. So now you just need to go to in meshes, click on it, and you will find your hat here. So this is the hat we have created. Just click on add button to add your image for this hat and click on OK. Now this is our hat. We just need to get it down. So you can use this. So you can use this property section to resize your hat. And so I just guys made a video on already that how to publish your items. So if you want, if you are interested, you can watch that video because it's a very thick part, and I don't want to make that part, and I don't want to add that part in this video. So you just, once you created your item, you just need to follow the method that I have told you already in the video. I'll give the link in the description, so you can also watch the video by tapping on the I button. So once you follow that step, you will be able to upload, or you will be able to make your own UGC item. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.